What's up, my beautiful people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new in my channel, you are so welcome. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to clear up some little tiny skin tag, or if you have skin wart, okay, and mole. This home remedy that I'm going to be showing you is definitely going to get rid of it. Like, trust me on this, it's definitely going to get rid of it. So thumbs up the video, and if you're new, please subscribe and please share this video. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, so without wasting any more time, let's dive into the video. So to get rid of skin tag, alright, one of the best home remedy you're going to be needing is going to be apple cider vinegar. Now, because of the vinegar content and because it is raw and unfiltered, so that's why you need to look for an apple cider vinegar that is raw and unfiltered, okay, that also contains the mother in it, so that it's going to help you to kill the skin tag and you're gonna be amazed. Alright, so to take apple cider vinegar, what you need to do is to first of all shake it, alright, and then you can take in just half tablespoon of that, okay, just half tablespoon of apple cider vinegar would be helpful. That I'm going to be using will be bicarbonate of soda, which is also called baking soda. Baking soda is also a great remedy that helps to kill skin tag. It helps to repair the skin. It gets rid of pigments and rashes and also pimples. So it will therefore help us in dissolving or killing skin tag, okay, with this particular mix that I'm going to be showing you. Now you can actually just pour in all of these ingredients. It is way helpful, but for measurement purposes I'm just going to be measuring out half tablespoon of that into this. You can see the reaction. It's so ideal. And now we're going to be needing some sea salt, or you can actually use the normal salt in your kitchen, okay, to get prepare this mix. You all know that salt is one great and natural remedy that helps to kill germs and bacteria. So mixing sea salt or ordinary salt with this other remedy is going to help us effectively to kill the skin tag. And then half tablespoon of the salt. And also we're going to be mixing that with garlic. Okay, I'm so used to mixing the name ginger and garlic, so we're going to be needing garlic for this mix, okay, because it's going to be helping us so much. Now, only garlic can even do the job, so but we're going to mix it with this 4 natural great remedies, so it's going to help us so much in removing skin tag or garlic, okay. So how you're going to prepare garlic is that, well, how I prepare garlic myself, I kind of cut the head off first and try to get off the bottom parts and then peel it gently. Alright guys, so after this is done, we're just going to either blend the garlic or would grate it. So I have just a very small blender here, and I'm going to be putting that into this, okay, cover that up. Now this makes life easier for me, so you can see that. Then I'll blend it. Okay, so this is how it looks like. that is okay. Now I would have to put the blended garlic into this mix. And now time to stir it all up together. So after that is done, you're going to be needing a cotton wool or a cotton pad to apply this, guys. Okay, so what you do is that you just take the cotton wool or cotton pad, and then you now fold it gently and dip that into this mix. Take enough of that, and then you apply it onto the place in which you have your skin tag, guys. Okay, and then you look for something to tape it or to cover it up. Now I tell you, if you do this, like if you do this 3 times, like just three times, the first day, the second day, and the third day, your skin tag will die off. I am not joking here, guys, okay, because it's something that I have tested and I know it works. So it does work. So the only days you need to apply this is just 3 days. Now in case your skin tag or wax or mole is actually very small in pieces, now what you do is to grab the treatment and then you would massage it over all of the small skin tag and small skin wax, just like that. Okay, massage it there. Now you just leave it. Now you can leave it there for a couple of hours, okay, and after that you are going to be seeing a great improvement, because this is just going to kill all of your skin tag and your wax or mole that you have, guys. Then for this treatment you have to store it for a 3 days stretch. So that's it, guys. When you do it that way, like in just 3 days, okay, now you can actually just see your results the next day, it depending on your skin type, okay. But if you don't see a very visible result the next day, in 3 days time all of your skin tag will be gone. Like, trust me, this home remedy works. So go try it out and I'm sure you're going to be loving it. Okay, so if it was helpful, please thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, and please share this video. Alright guys, I'll see you soon in my next video, and go take care of your skin. Bye guys.